What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Hakeem Ingleson. This is gonna be a vlog style ride along pretty much. Ride along and see a property that we just got under contract. And also what you came here for is how we made $30,000 in 2 weeks from a real estate wholesale deal. Maybe you don't know what wholesaling is, but I will be dropping some more informative videos. We're gonna walk through a property that we just got under contract today. And also I'm gonna take you with me to the title company to pick up the check. All right, we're heading out. We're gonna make a quick stop. We're gonna pick up my business partner, Mike, head out to the property and go pick up this check. Yeah. Okay, so I mean, is there a specific criteria that you look for? Or?
Me, no. I mean, I'll do single family. I'll do multi-unit. I mean, hey, as long as the price makes sense.
Yeah, I got
that
you.
one don't look bad at the 125. I mean.
Oh no. I mean, it's definitely a good deal. All right, yeah, well, we'll definitely do some business, and I'll definitely keep you in mind.
Oh, I appreciate it.
Okay, all right. Well, yeah, it was nice talking to you, Melissa. You have a good one.
You too, and I'll call you back and let you know what you want further information and move forward.
Okay, all right. Yep, that sounds good.
All right, have a good one. Take care.
Yep, you too. All right, so that was a buyer that was calling about that deal that we got under contract already. You good, bro? Say what's up to YouTube, man. Got the little Frenchie. You got both of them.
Let me get out. She don't like the car.
Yeah. All right, what's up? So we are at the property, right? Nice neighborhood. Nice little old Victorian style house. Right by college, Hampton University. So let's take a look at the property. Definitely a lot of stuff up in here. I didn't think it was gonna be this much stuff. How you doing? 5:30. How you doing? I just came to pick up a check from a closing.
Okay, what's the name?
My Home Solutions.
My Home Solutions.
Yep, thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a good one.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Have a good one.
That was quick and easy. Yeah. Yes, sir. Look at that. Yes, sir. Too easy. Hold on, what that say? Wow. You got that from wholesaling, right?
Wholesaling.
Dang, man.
Every day.
Yeah.
Come join us.
Yeah. That's crazy, man. How long did it take us? How long ago did we get that deal?
Not even 2 weeks, I say.
2 weeks, right?
Subscribe.
Word. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Yeah, you're right.
Just like that. Set goals and go. Set goals and go. So we're working on selling the deal that we got today. Hopefully we can get that one sold and do the same thing. I just wanted to take you all through so you can see the journey. You see we picked up the $30,000 check, so that was pretty nice. So I want to give you a backstory on that deal and exactly how it came about. Mainly for us, what we've been doing is cold calling. So we got VAs that are cold calling. I think right now we got about 3 VAs and they each call 4 hours a day. So if someone's on the phone 12 hours a day, my thing is I'm really looking to scale it up a lot more, but cold call is how we make most of our deals. I mean, we literally got this one closed probably maybe 10 days, about 2 weeks. total from the time we got the contract signed to the time we picked up the check today. It's been about 2 weeks. I say 2 weeks. But I'm definitely going to be putting out more content just to get more in depth of what wholesaling is, and more specifically what I'm doing in real estate for the people that don't know. Maybe I'll do some seller calls, some actually seller calls. People can watch me making calls, watch me closing deals, And also, so like, comment, and subscribe. And if you can, comment, if you're watching this video, comment and tell me what you want me to make a video on. For the people that don't know what wholesaling real estate is. And if you don't, and you see the $30,000 check and it's like, hey, I'd like to make large amounts of money in a short period of time, we're definitely gonna put out some content just on, and then just YouTube. There's already a lot of content on YouTube as far as what is wholesaling real estate. Just YouTube it, and watch other people's content. But I think I'm definitely gonna put out some more normal content explaining what wholesaling is. But yeah, like, comment what you want to see, subscribe so you get it. I'm out.